Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture video. Here we are going to discuss about words often confuses. Okay, we have homonyms and homophones. They are similar in sound and similar in spellings and different in spellings sometimes. But there are other such pair of words which often confuses. They look very similar and they sound like they have similar meanings like synonyms, but they are not. So we are going to focus those words, 30 sets of words, and let's see how can we apply them. The first one is envious. What is the meaning for envious? Someone who feels envy about others. So here envy is a noun and envious is adjective form of envy. Take for example, avoid being envious, be competitive. Here envious meaning jealous. Look at the next one, enviable. Okay, it is also in adjective form, but we cannot use in the sense of jealousness. Take for example, the meaning of enviable is worthy of admiration or admirable, to put it in one word. Robert's achievements has made him enviable in his family, meaning admirable in his family. So look at these are very similar. They look like synonyms. So mistaking that they are synonyms, sometimes we misuse them. So we have to clearly understand their meaning and use them accordingly. Next set is urban and urbane. Okay, the first one meaning urban, not rural. Okay, urban mean city. The urban area of the city is developing quite fast. Okay, not rural. Look at the next one, urban meaning sophisticated. His urbane manners could not win the intelligent audience. Okay, sophisticated manners could not win the intelligent audience. So if we take this urbane as rural, oh my god, that's a complete difference. So we would end up becoming embarrassed among a group of people. So you have to be very careful when you use these words. Look at the next one, imaginary and imaginative. So both look same, both are in adjective form again. So you can many people misuse this word. So you think that imaginary meaning creative, unreal, some sort of dreamy, some sort of thing. But again, when it comes to imaginative, you mean the same thing. But imaginative meaning creative, innovative, novelty. Okay, so this is completely different from unreal feeling. Okay, dreamy thing. So the first one is imaginary meaning unreal. Don't tell me imaginary stories. I trust none of them. Look at the next example. The imaginative director shot the screen with great skill and depth. Here imaginative meaning creative. Look at the next pair, honorary and honorable. What is the meaning for honorary? Without pay. Honorable, admirable and respected person. So if you think that honorary as a honorable, if you say honorary person, then you end up making a big mistake. So you should be aware of the meaning. Honorary meaning without pay. Take for example, do the post is honorary though it is not payable. Go for it because it will fetch you a lot of recognition. That is the meaning here. So take in other terms, do the post is without pay. Go for it. It will fetch you a lot of recognition. Next one, honorable. What is the meaning for honorable? Admirable or respected. Honorable sir, may I request your attention for a while? Okay, that is the meaning of it. Next one, ghostly. Ghostly meaning causing fear. After the bomb blast, the sight looked ghostly. Next one, ghostly, relating to ghosts. Don't narrate ghostly stories, they scare me. So here ghostly meaning causing fear. So causing fear, anything can cause fear. Ghostly meaning it is related to the spirits or something like that. Okay, ghostly is different, completely different from ghastly. Next one, industrious and industrial. You may think when it comes to industrious, you may think it is an adjective form for industry. No, industrious meaning laborious. Laborious. What is the meaning for laborious? Hardworking. Only the industrious student succeed in life. Okay, only the industrious students succeed in life, meaning only the hardworking students succeed in life. Next one, industrial. Industrial meaning which is related to industry, some sort of industrial work. The modern Indian society is fast becoming an industrial one. Next one, ordinance. What is the meaning for ordinance? Law or bill. Ordinance is likely to be passed in the parliamentary session. Look at the next one, ordinance. What is the meaning for ordinance? Military supplies. Okay, there is only slight difference. The first word has E sound and the next one has it doesn't have E sound. Okay, so that is the difference, and almost the spelling is in the first one you have I and the second one you don't have I. So we have to be very careful because these words sound very tricky. The first one is ordinance and the next one is ordinance. What is the meaning for ordinance? Military supply. The ordinance factory was blown away by the rebels. Next one, corporal meaning physical, something related to our body or physical. According to the new norms, corporal punishments is blamed in the schools. Okay, physical punishments are banned in the school. Next one, corporeal. So we have an extra E here. It means something related to spiritual. The first word is corporal and the next one is corporeal. All drives of modern man have by and large become corporeal, something not related to spiritual. Next one, comprehensive and comprehensible. Again, they are in adjective form. So you may think that you can use comprehensible meaning exhaustive. Okay, just a comprehensive examination and the student process, we need a continuous evaluation system instead. Okay, comprehensive meaning something exhausting, unnecessary thing, tiresome. So here comprehensive meaning exhausting examination and the student process. Okay, it doesn't help a student's improvement. That is the meaning. Next one, comprehensible. Comprehensible meaning very understandable. Okay, so it is greatly different between different than comprehensive. Okay, when we speak Indian English, it is not usually comprehensible to the native speaker of the language. It's true, when we speak in Indian English, it is not understandable to the native speaker. Okay, understandable or comprehensible. Next one, graceful and gracious. What is the meaning for graceful? Dignified and polished. Gracious, large-hearted. Okay, gracious. A classic example for this is, though rich, he knows not how to be graceful in speech and manners. Okay, dignified and polished. That is the meaning for graceful. And the next one is gracious, large-hearted, very generous. The gracious king was liked by one and all. Okay, the generous king was liked by one and all. Gracious meaning generous. Next one, childish and childlike, which is a very familiar pair among all of us, but most of them we end up using them wrong. Okay, childish meaning very silly. No one likes childish behavior. Childlike meaning something innocent and simple. Okay, childlike meaning very innocent nature. Nature inspires you to be childlike. Okay, nature inspires you to be very innocent and simple. Lovable and lovely, they both are adjective. Okay, thank you for listening the lecture video, and if you have any doubt you can always ask me. Thank you.